insert plastic screw tabs. One on the driver's side here, and then one on the passenger side. Remove protective covering from the sticky back adhesive. Do this on both sides. Go ahead and line this up on the hood. You want to make sure that these slots line up with the inserts. At the same time, you want to make sure that the clearance is even from the edge of the hood deflector to the hood on both sides. Press the deflector up into place, making sure that the holes line up with the screw tabs. And press on the adhesive backing. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, use the screw and the washer and simply install into the plastic nutsert there and snug that down. Repeat that for the passenger side.